To install the premium front door accent panel on your Ranger SP570, follow these steps. Begin by removing and retaining the two fasteners on the rear of the panel. Then, open the door and remove and retain the lower fastener near the rear door seal. Continue by removing and retaining the three upper fasteners under the front door seal. Then, disengage the retaining tabs and pull the accent panel away. Next, install the 5 retention clips on the mounts on the back of the accent panel. Then, press the speed nut into the speed nut mount until fully seated, ensuring the threaded portion is inside the molded pocket. Next, align the retention tabs on the accent panel with the mounting holes on the door, and press in the tabs to secure. Then, reinstall the 3 retained fasteners underneath the front door seal. And torque the fasteners to specification. Continue by reinstalling the lower retained fastener and torquing the fasteners to specification. Then, close the door to reinstall the 2 rear panel fasteners. And torque the fasteners to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.